Hi there, I'm Brandon Cook, customer representative for FLOORZZ.com. Today, we're going to be talking about top mistakes to avoid when buying tile. The number one ordering mistake when purchasing tile is not ordering enough tile. The last thing you want on your project is any delays because you have to reorder some extra, or you don't have you end up with a patchy look because you did not have enough tile. We always like to recommend at least 10 to 15% overage. And if you're doing an intricate pattern with some design element, I would bump that up to 20% to be safe. Grout selection. Grout selection is very much overlooked, but it plays a very important part of the aesthetic that you're trying to achieve with your tile. You can choose to contrast for a more bold look, or you can choose to blend that grout color with your tile for a more contemporary look. The choice is yours, but do not forget how important that is. Number 3, choosing tiles based on appearance. One common mistake is choosing beautiful tiles for areas in your home, condo that are not applicable. So make sure that you're considering slip resistance, traffic, use in wet areas, frost and thaw conditions. All of these are things to consider. And if you have any questions, please consult your customer rep for more help. Number 4, don't forget about maintenance. Is the tile that you're selecting require extra care, like natural stone, requires special sealers, special cleaning products? Albeit beautiful, make sure that is a consideration when putting this into your project. Porcelains and ceramics require less care, so think about where these tiles are going and how much upkeep they require. Number 5, overlooking the thickness of the tile. When doing multiple different tiles throughout your project, make sure to consider the thickness of the tile itself, any transitions, especially into zero entry showers. You want your finish to be clean and aesthetically pleasing. So make sure to avoid any pitfalls that different tile heights might present you. Number 6, don't skip getting tile samples. You want to make sure to check out the tiles that you like in your own light, in your own room. Make sure to move those tile samples to the room that they're going in. Things can look a lot different in showrooms, a lot of different competing lights. You want to make sure you love your purchase, so take the time to take it home with you. Purchasing cheap tile. Cheap tile normally means cheap quality. So when installing tile on your project, make sure to consider using good quality materials for high traffic areas. 8, don't neglect your tile layout and pattern. Take time to speak with your installer and lay out the tile ahead of time so you get the aesthetics that you want for your project. Especially when using pattern tiles, you do not want to finish those edges or not get the complete pattern or look that you want. So preparation is key. Plan ahead to get the awesome look that you're expecting. Assuming all tiles are the same. By now in this video, you probably know not all tiles are created equal. So make sure you are considering whether you're using porcelain, stone, ceramic, glass tiles. They are not all interchangeable and they are not all appropriate for different areas in the home. Just something to consider. Again, if you have any questions, definitely consult your customer service rep. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this video was helpful. Visit FLOORZZ.com for all of your tile selections and needs.